Restomods have become a fascinating segment of the classic car world, offering a fusion of vintage charm with modern technology. The 1940 Dodge VC pickup, recently reimagined by Quiet to Riot Customs, is one of the most eye-catching and capable examples of this genre. With its bold upgrades, including a 4BT Cummins turbodiesel engine, massive Michelin XZL agricultural tires, and a completely overhauled performance chassis, this custom-built machine is not only a tribute to its World War II-era origins but a modern-day powerhouse in a classic package. Let's dive into why this 1940 Dodge VC pickup is turning heads and setting new standards in Restomod builds. Before we explore the upgrades, it's essential to understand the legacy of the original Dodge VC series trucks. Produced just before the United States entered World War II, the VC was designed as a durable, versatile workhorse. These trucks were among the last civilian pickups before the war, and many were repurposed for military use. Known for their rugged build, four-wheel drive system, and Chrysler flathead six-cylinder engines, the VC series trucks were a critical part of the war effort, adapted for both combat and logistical purposes. Fast forward to 2024, and the 1940 Dodge VC pickup has been given a full Restomod treatment, blending the vintage appeal of a World War II-era workhorse with modern performance and engineering. This is no mere restoration, it's a complete reimagination of the truck, ready to take on today's toughest challenges. One of the first things you'll notice about this Restomod is its massive Michelin XZL Series 16 agricultural tires mounted on 20-inch wheels. These tires, designed for military and construction vehicles, are gargantuan and give the truck an imposing presence that seems almost out of this world. The size of these tires, combined with the truck's elevated stance, makes it look more like a military vehicle than a vintage pickup, evoking images of an American Unimog. The oversized tires do more than just enhance the truck's appearance, they are essential to its off-road capabilities. With a dual-range NP205 transfer case and a powerful, low-revving 4BT Cummins engine, this Dodge is built to conquer even the roughest terrain. The result is a Restomod that isn't just about good looks, it's a true off-road monster with the power and traction to back it up. Powering this beast is the well-regarded Cummins 4BT turbodiesel engine, a 239 cubic inch powerhouse that delivers 265 lb-ft of torque. While the horsepower figure may not be jaw-dropping, it's the torque that gives this truck its real strength. That massive torque output is ideal for handling off-road obstacles and for ensuring that the large tires grip the terrain with confidence, whether on rocky trails, muddy paths, or rough country roads. This torque is seamlessly channeled through a Borg-Warner 4-speed manual transmission, offering a nostalgic driving experience while ensuring that modern performance is fully maintained. The truck's four-wheel drive system, combined with the heavy-duty drivetrain, makes the 1940 Dodge VC not just a showpiece but a vehicle built for serious off-road action. To complement the engine and tires, the Restomod team at Quiet to Riot Customs equipped this VC with a custom 4-link suspension, both front and rear, coupled with Fox remote reservoir shocks. This suspension setup is designed to absorb the harshest bumps and maintain stability even with the massive tires and the added weight. The truck handles rough terrain with ease, making it not just a conversation starter but a capable vehicle off the beaten path. Additionally, the truck features high-pressure hydraulic steering, ensuring that despite its size and weight, driving the 1940 Dodge VC is far less challenging than one might expect. This modern steering system allows for easy maneuverability, even when navigating tight spaces or rocky trails. While the exterior of the truck screams rugged and capable, the interior of this Restomod provides a balance of comfort and modern convenience. Inside, you'll find plush vinyl seats, a Dakota digital gauge cluster for precise data monitoring, and a vintage air HVAC system to keep the cabin comfortable year-round. Power windows are a small but meaningful upgrade, providing convenience that was missing in the original 1940s truck. The overall interior is a seamless blend of vintage aesthetics with just enough contemporary touches to make it comfortable and functional for modern drives. This extraordinary 1940 Dodge VC pickup Restomod recently sold for a staggering $108,600 on Bring a Trailer, underscoring the immense appeal of classic vehicles reimagined with modern performance. It's clear why this custom truck drew so much attention. It offers a perfect blend of vintage charm and cutting-edge performance. Whether you're a fan of off-roading, a lover of classic trucks, or someone who appreciates high-performance vehicles, this 1940 Dodge VC Restomod delivers on all fronts. This reworked 1940 Dodge VC pickup is a prime example of how quiet to Riot Customs has managed to breathe new life into a vintage vehicle while honoring its roots. With its 4BT Cummins engine, massive tires, custom suspension, and a fully modernized interior, this truck is built to be both an eye-catching showpiece and a highly capable off-road machine. If you're looking for a truck that can handle anything from the roughest trails to the most discerning car shows, this Restomod is a stellar example of what happens when you take a World War II-era workhorse and transform it into a modern-day beast.